Hey, what's up? This is Rob from Panther, and today I'm going to show you how to create seamless patterns in MidJourney. And also, if you'd like to know how I created these, you can join the members only channel and select secret content, watch more pro tutorials, and support the channel. So we're going to go to MidJourney. I'm going to type in /imagine space. And I'm going to go with pumpkin. And now I'm going to add space. We're going to add 2 lines like this. And I'm going to type in tile. So in order to make a pattern sample, you need to type in tile. And of course, tile works with test and the test P. Basically, this is the latest version of MidJourney 4 beta. So I'm going to go with line, test. Type in enter. All right, so we got some pumpkins. So this is the final render. Now we're going to save it. Just click on the web, click on yes. And you can click on here to save it. And there's a website where you can test these patterns if they're correct or not. It's called, I'm going to leave a link in the description with it. And you can just drag and drop the pattern here. And as you can see, created the pattern. You can pull this up and down to increase or decrease the pattern. So it doesn't have any flaws. Now I'm going to go to Photoshop and create a real pattern. And now I'm going to drag and drop the pattern to a new tab. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to go with like 800, like that. I'm going to press Ctrl A, so it's going to highlight the image. Now go to Edit, click on Define Pattern, rename it, and click OK. And here you can go to the pattern options, and here we got the pattern. If you don't have the pattern options, go to Windows and select Patterns. I'm going to press Ctrl, press and hold Alt. I'm going to scale this up. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to go to the patterns and select the pattern. You can select whatever pattern you want that you created. And you can go back to the layers. And as you can see here, we have the patterns. You can double click on the pattern. You can change the angles and the scale. Click OK. And this is how you work with patterns in MidJourney. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye-bye.